Hey guys, what you know about rolling down in the deep when the beat goes on, you got 'em in a breeze. Woo! Let's go, guys. Yeah, this is like from the Japanese garden when you walk through there, like on the outside.
Yeah, that's also in Forest Park.
Yeah, that's so nice. All right, guys, Memorial Day weekend is over for me, even though it's Monday. You know, we're just getting it started. We're currently gonna switch out our truck into 246. It's gonna be a Western Star 10-car trailer. Let's just, there she is. There it is right there. I think I had that one before. So we're just gonna go ahead and pull up right next to it. Go ahead and switch over all of our stuff. Get loaded and then head up to Salinas. Try to see if we can get set up with the Tesla load, just coming back down somewhere, coming down south. Look at that, someone's got some Audis on the truck. There you go. Wonder where they're going. Little Nissan Rogue. Oh, a little 10-car action. There you go. There you go, son. Little six truck action going on. Did I pass it? Nope, there it is. There she is. Let's go ahead and switch everything over. Hopefully it's not dirty. Check it out. Let's see what we got going on. Okay, all right. Yeah. Looks good. Doesn't look dirty at all. That's what I like to see. I got to sign that and give that back to the office. Make it official. Taking it over. All right, let's just go check the rest of the truck. Make sure nothing's crazy going on. Because sometimes you get these loaners and they're just sitting here for a while. You know, people forget about stuff and good. Good. Airbags look good. Straps. Oh, we got some nice straps going on. Not even worn out. That's what I like to see. Good red flag. We got a red flag. We're good. We're good. No flat tires. Oh, there's a flat tire. Yep. And it's a flat tire. That's awesome. All right, well, that sucks. All right, looks like we're not gonna use this truck because I don't got time to wait around for, dang it. Hey, this is why you check all the tires. Oh, well. Hey man, it is what it is. Sometimes it might just be an old messed up, yep, see? Nothing. See the difference? Aired up tire, flat tire. Aired up tire. Aired up tire. Aired up tire. Jeez. Yeah, it's probably a bad valve or whatever, but oh well. Looks like we're not taking this truck after all. I'll have to come back on Wednesday and switch it out for my truck. Cause I got a short everywhere. Everywhere has like a stinking short in my truck. It's actually quite annoying. So we'll be back Wednesday to grab that truck. So that way, cause every power outlet in my truck has a short everywhere, and look at my lift does not work. Trailer doesn't lift right now or anything like that, but oh well. So at least I'll be able to take this load that I wouldn't have been able to take with this truck. Here's our fuel. Here's our lovely fuel station. So yeah, with this truck setup, since I have the ability to articulate this number 2, which means I can make it go like this, so that way the wheels can sit. So when I bend this, I'll be able to bring it back down onto another vehicle that's in here, which is the sleeper. I'll show you guys in a little bit I'm gonna put 3 smaller trucks on the tractor, and then I'll go 1500, and then a 3500, and then another, I think it might be a Canyon or a Colorado, and then I'll have an Acadia on my number 9. So it'll be basically like a V shape. You'll see. Anyways, that's what we're gonna do now that we are gonna have this truck. Because the other truck, I wouldn't have been able to do that. So I would have only been able to have 2 trucks on the tractor and then 4 trucks on the trailer. So instead of taking 6, we're gonna take 7. Means more money. All right, my friends, we stopped right here on the side of the road because we just gotta check our straps. I can already tell 2 of the straps have already come off of the 2 front steers of the truck on my number 2. Let's go take a look and tighten them back up. Oh yeah, see those guys, they came off right there. Same thing on that side. I think everywhere else looks pretty good. Oh, oh my God. But look at, I mean, trucks never really move that much, especially on that position, but we still got 1 strap. Everything's good. Good, golden. Tires, check. Still good, Flag on the back. All right, let's just go, let's go get those tires nice and strapped down. Tires good right here on the trailer. Holding on to what's golden. Take me back to the day we y'allin'. Okay, all right. All right, good morning, guys. Temporary truck parking and inspection area. Our TWIC card is expired. We're gonna, oh, not our TWIC card. We gotta get the other card, our military card. There we go, that's the one we needed. All right, there we go, that's the one we needed right there. You gotta park over here next to the main entrance, come into this building so they can reissue me a new ID over here in Port Hueneme. Let's get it. Get these units on the truck and get back home. We got 1 stop in Barstow, and then the rest go to Ed Lozar. Son of a gun. All right, so since mine expired, they got to go through this whole other process that I didn't think they needed to do, because usually I was able to just come here when it was expired and get it printed out, and now I got to go through a whole new full vetting process, which is going to take quite a while. So now we got to head to another main gate over here. It's just good thing I woke up early, that's for sure. We'll still be able to beat traffic, but yeah. Anyways, all right, guys, see you when we get loaded. Okay, we got the cars on the truck. Let's go deliver these bad boys and then go, let's go preload. All right, guys, we're set up. We're ready to rock and roll. Ramps down, trailer connected to tractor. We're just waiting for this guy to come give me the keys. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Camry. Yaris, Corolla, and Sienna? No, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I didn't know I had a Corolla. I guess I do. Yes, that's what we're gonna be taking to Longo Toyota in El Monte. Cause I was born in the USA. But yeah, just waiting for the keys. We'll go three Camrys on the tractor. We'll throw the Sienna in the belly, and then everything else, you know the story. You know the story. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Yeah, so I got these 9 cars, huh? Awesome. They already printed out the BOL for you. Oh, thank you. They got you coming in on a Saturday, huh?
Oh, I was working Saturday and Sunday for quite a while.
Oh, really?
See, I got laid off March.
All right, let's go up the ramp without going out the window. What do you guys think? So all you got to do is keep your wheels on the dotted line, and you're good. All right, still good, right? Cool. Still no looker, you know, no going outside. Still good, dude. And there we go. Put it in the pocket. We're in the pocket. There we go. Hate it or love it, dude. Hate it or love it. Hate it or love it. The underdog's on top. And I'm gonna shine homie into my hot stock. There she is. We got her loaded. Loaded. I guess that's it. Yeah, I didn't film the loading because my camera kept heating up and it would stop recording. So I was like getting some shots and then it was off by the time I returned to the camera, and then it was just saying overheated. It's hot in Vegas, dude. It's like really hard to film because the camera does get hot, or my phone rather, and it just turns off. So whatever, it is what it is. But I guess we could just show you a little bit, you know, right? We got the Camrys, we got the Sienna, Yaris, Camry, Yaris, or no, Corolla, right? So there we go. I got a lot of spring cleaning to do. We got to clear out the garage and make room. That should be fun. It's gonna be really hot. It's already hot. It's hot enough that my cameras are shutting off. So there you go. Check that out. Western Star Life, dude. What do you know about that? What you know about rolling down in the deep? Uh-oh. This isn't good. Traffic stop. Ay, people. It's Saturday morning. Let's drive safe, huh? I think something's flipped over up ahead. Oh, jeez. Poor little old couple, dude, just trying to move their rough weekend, man. All right, so we just offloaded. We're getting it to get offloaded. We're just putting it in this position. So what I had to do is I had to lift this part up from the ramp because if I had it lowered, this part would have been too much like that, and this was gonna bottom out right around here. So yeah, like I said, I had to lift this up first and then bring the car all the way to this point, and now I'm gonna bring it down so we can get it off. Otherwise it wasn't gonna clear that portion of the ramps. So we got it on brake, we got it in park. Now we're just gonna lower it down nice and easy, lemon squeezy. There we go. Ramps are lowered and we're just gonna let her go nice and easy. Little right-hand drive action today. This carbon fiber on this thing is beautiful. Oh, she's a pretty girl. She is lovely. Oh, you could just put your cell phone holder right there. That's so pimp. That's good too. No distractions either. You don't need that cell phone right there. You just need it back there. When you're out of this car, then you can grab your phone. We're actually just gonna throw it in neutral and just keep the steering wheel straight. Honestly, just let her down nice and gentle. No bouncing. We don't want any suspension bounce, and that's when you hear. You don't want to hear it on a brand new Corvette that's going overseas. I don't want to get up. 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 Ah! 49er truck stop. All right. Let's go. So this is Raul's load we got with the 10 car. I think that's an Envision, right? Oh no, it's an Encore GX. So this is like the bigger version. Hey, real quick, dude, let's show them how we did this really quick. Where's the biggest problem we had?
Right here. Just trying to get this on top of this and just make sure that we have at least like a good fist.
Well,
right here.
But how'd you first start this off? How'd you set this up before you drop these pockets?
Well, first get that all the way in the front. Make sure that goes all the way forward.
So we want that wheel all the way as far up as possible.
And then once we got that, pick this up all the way. Make sure you get it kind of close as you can. A good fist. And it should overlap on top of that. Should be able to get in no space. Put this one in the back.
Yep, have that one backwards. You're gold. Yeah, just basically pick this all the way up. Is it still on the last? It's on the last one, right?
The last pin.
Last pin right here.
Yeah,
so it should definitely be the last pin.
And we can go up from Wainimi and everything looks good, nothing hit. Everything's good, it should last like that all the way to Vegas.
So the fin isn't actually touching, that's just the paper or the antenna cover is what's touching that. At first we were worried because we had it on here, and then we were worried that if he dropped it, it was gonna meet the top of this car, but it didn't, so we're good. Nice safe 10 car. Dude, that's crazy, you got the Encore right here. This is like the bigger Encore.
Yeah, I know, but
not the little one.
I was supposed to get hyped with that one.
Yeah, but at least you could have dipped this one all the way down,
yeah.
So you won't have to worry about height up there with that.
14.3 right there.
Yeah, nice.
That one 14.4, but I could still probably bring in the middle, love it down, get it 14.2.
We're golden. All right. I just got a little baby 9 card load.
What the hell?